Here are the ball and grip style mounting systems. You can get a ball with a cup to go on the end of some kind of post, or you can use just a standard ball on a flat back plane to connect to, say, a clip-on. Both of these work with the grip mount, the ball grip mount. I should mention that once you've printed one of these, you need to be fairly careful with it. These little fingers here will break off if you try to squeeze them too hard. But once they're on the ball, then they're very sturdy. So let's take a look at how this would work, and I'm just going to use the standard ball mount rather than the cup. The grip will almost always go on a component like the proximity sensors, and you just take a pair of screws and attach it to the remaining two holes on the back. You just try to do that fairly quick here. I'm going to say that it might be a little hard to attach the components to these ball and grip mounts once they're attached, because they only rotate so far. You may have a little bit difficulty getting a screwdriver in at an angle. So if you can, go ahead and mount the components first to attach the components to the grip mount and the ball mount. So I'll show you in a second here. I could have done it after the fact. All right, so now I'm going to attach the clip to this, and we're just going to put a screw rather through the back of the grip mount of this, sorry, not grip mount, of this ball mount, and use the two arc-shaped openings on the clip. Like anything, you can hold off on tightening down the screw until you know that you've got it oriented just like you want. And I'm going to set this up right directly in line. Tighten these down. All right, now this is probably the most dangerous part of the whole thing, and that is inserting the ball into the grip. It's important that you go directly in line rather than kind of be twisting it as you go, just because we don't want to take the chance of breaking. Oh, look, I already broke one. And when that happened, don't want to take a chance of breaking one of these off. Probably have to reprint that, but I may not. Let's take a look. So we'll go directly in slowly, and now we're connected, and they fit pretty tight. And you can rotate through a little bit of an angle, but it's certainly strong enough to hold something as light as this proximity sensor. And which is the one that I broke? Must be this one. Let's go ahead and break it the rest of the way. And I want to show you is that we're still working just fine, even with just the 3 longer fingers and the 4 shorter fingers. Okay. Then you just go ahead and clip this on to a bar or whatever, just like you normally would.